SOJ Remulla, finally, nakahanap din ng katapat without his expectation na supalpalin siya ni Coco Pimentel ukol sa kanyang mga pahayag sa SOCMED laban sa tatlong vloggers sa nangyaring interview through online kay DJ Bantag. Kaya napapahiya ito at namumula sa kanyang kinaupuan. Hindi niya inaasahan for the first time na merong kukontra sa kanya at lumalabas na naman ang pagiging inconsistent sa kanyang mga pahayag.
Mr. Chairman, what is your issue, Secretary, with the three bloggers? Sino to? Hindi ko sinusundan yung mga vlogger na yun, pero nasundan ko yung issue na ipapakulong mo rin yung three bloggers. Three bloggers.
Maybe just really the person that they interviewed a person wanted by the law. A person wanted by the law never appeared to respect the jurisdiction of our legal system. So, they interviewed somebody like that. So, may standing warrant of arrest po yan. But when you interview somebody like that, you're already telling the people it's okay to flout the law. And probably, it's contempt of court, sir.
May batas ba tayo ngayon na bawal na mag-interview o hindi pabor sa'yo? Kaya bawal na. Remulla naman, where is the freedom of speech? Lahat tayo ay may karapatan to express whatever we want. Ang gusto mo yata, ikaw lang ang magsasalita nang magsasalita sa press, knowing na puro fake news naman ang iyong mga pahayag at napaka-inconsistent. Sa pagkakataong ito ay nawala ang kanyang pagka-bossy dahil todo supalpal sa kanya si Coco Pimentel. Marami na rin nakanotice sa kanyang pagiging mayabang at mapang-api. Hindi niya sukat akalain may susupalpal sa kanya bilang Secretary of Justice. Ang gusto niya yata ay lahat ng kaluhod sa kanya. Delikado pala ito pag ito ang nagiging Pangulo. Ang tanong, ibubuto niyo ba?
As I said in our press conference, it's contempt of court when you're telling people it's okay to disrespect the court by saying that saying many things without respecting the jurisdiction of the court, sir.
So, is your issue against the three bloggers?
Ay, huling-huli na sa kanyang personal na motibo. Ngunit hindi ito labag sa batas. Ang ginawang pag-interview kay DJ Bantag, gusto niya talagang idiin si DJ Bantag at mapakulong na walang sapat na ebidensya. Kaya very alarming na ang kanyang pag-uugali laban kay DJ Bantag. Even si Coco Pimentel ay ginamitan na siya ng katagang para sa kanya. Your issue is your issue, not for us. Kaya supalpal siya nito dahil ito ay tagos sa kanyang laman.
So, is your issue against the three the three bloggers the content of the interview? Or the mere fact of interviewing a person who was
the mere fact of interviewing somebody wanted by the law, and without disclosing, without being cooperative with the legal system, sir.
Remulla wants to control everything kahit hindi niya trabaho ang pagpuna sa mga vloggers. Ganun pa man ay labag ito sa batas ang kanyang mga ginagawa. Ang kontrolin ang malayang pagpapahayag sa bawat isa sa atin na kumikitil sa ating karapatan.
Point ko, what was the law violated?
Ayun, Remulla. Anong batas raw ang kanilang nilabag? Ang sagot ni Remulla,
It's something that we should also die for. We also have to make sure that we should also die for. But when it comes to obeying the law and respecting the law, I think it's something that we should also die for. We also have to make sure that people still respect our legal system.
sino ba ang walang respeto sa batas? At anong batas nga raw ang nilabag nila?
Ang point ko, what was the law being violated? Because did they interview in person or Zoom? Was it on Zoom or an in-person interview?
I'm not sure, sir, but it's direct or indirect.
Naku, SOJ, hindi ka pala sure. So, ibig sabihin, Hindi konkreto ang aligasyon mo laban sa kanila. Ang hilig mong talaga sa fake news. Marites ka ba? Nakakahiya na talaga ang pag-uugali mo. Puro na lang ganito. Aligasyong walang katuturan. Kaya kawawa naman yung tao naging biktima mo sa iyong mga fake news.
Of course, sir.
Hindi pwedeng direct contempt yun. The direct contempt must happen right before the judge. Hindi
Indirect
pwede.
contempt.
You didn't even know what happened and you already have formed that it's possible indirect contempt.
I had it investigated, and that is what was given to me by our people.
Duh! What we can expect more from Secretary Remulla na puro herses na lang talaga since day one. And take note, he keeps on blaming sa kanyang mga resource person. Pag ito ay palpak, kaya naniniwala pa ba kayo? Kay Remulla, he is not really a credible person.
So I do not know how they can be held to account for the fact of their desire to talk to somebody who has an outstanding warrant of arrest, and then siguro pinost ba nila ito online. Hindi ko napanood din actually because wala naman akong issue against them. But Secretary, you should find out everything.
Ayan, pahiya na naman. Supalpal uli. Totoo naman bago ka magparatang, see to it na tama ang mga aligasyon mo laban sa isang tao. Kasi nakakaawa naman, sinisira mo ang dignidad ng mga taong kinakalaban mo o inaapakan mo. Be responsible enough for being the Secretary of Justice.
Or
Sir,
you say these things, pa-chilling effect ang resulta niyan eh.
Aray ko, ang dami na nun ah. O ngayon, nararamdaman mo ang pagpapahiya mo kay DG Bantag at sa iba pang inaapakan mo, si Congressman Teves at ang mga vloggers.
Sir, honestly, I try not to watch it because I'm the one being alluded to in the interview, and I don't want to watch it. I don't want to waste my time listening to people who would just want to malign my person, sir.
Oh, di ba? Masakit pala. Oh, kung nasasaktan ka, ay mas lalong nasasaktan si DG Bantag, Congressman Teves at ang mga vloggers sa pagyurak sa kanilang pagkatao na walang katotohanan.
So I asked the other people to investigate it for me.
You were the one, you have a footage, ikaw nagsasalita, you have that.
But we have possession of footage, yes, sir.
You've not even seen the... No, I saw the footage of you saying that you will file
Well, that's what we are trying to work on, sir. To ask the court to consider contempt because it is not something that we want replicated all over the country, that we glorify people who do not obey the law.
To associate. At any rate, Mr. Chairman, I think our senior lawyer in the Senate wants to say something. Hindi pa, pero is my time over, Mr. Chairman?
You've had two and a half rounds already.
Baka
You've been very liberal.
consumed by Senator counted against me, Mr. Chairman. Sige, siguro. Sa next round na lang
Give
kayo,
him a chance
I'll go to the COA facts and opinions. Wala namang mali sa opinion eh, opinion. Well, at any rate, Mr. Chairman, siguro in due time that the theory of our secretary will be tested. In the COA findings, meron...
donate half of my time to the good minority leader.
Well, at any rate, Mr. Chairman, siguro in due time that the theory of our secretary will be court. Of course, I will side with the freedom of our people to speech. No?
Perhaps he can still apprise this committee. Sino ba yung tinutukoy yung tatlong vloggers? Ano ba yun? Kasi marami ako na, can you identify and the incident itself? For the record, just to be part of the records of this committee hearing. Sino po ba? Ano
Hindi ako nanonood no. Nanonood ko is the press conference of our secretary. So secretary, if you can identify the 3 vloggers na gusto mong pailan ng contempt charges before the court.
Ano po yung incidente? Kasi ang dami pong...
Oh.
Sir, sorry, I don't have their names now, sir. I cannot answer that question now.
Sir, Mr. Chairman, how about yung wanted person na in-interview nila?
The interviewee.
Interviewee,
The
yeah.
interviewers, natin alam kung sino, but the interviewee, the subject.
Mayroon,
Subject was Mr. Bantag.
thank you,
Thank you,
Mr. Chairman.
Secretary. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
O did ma sila lahat sa'yo dahil pagkasabi mong bantag, Adios.
Nag-uulat, what's new?